Now we're going to move into the next category, which is food. Because if you look at sterile food or processed food or food that comes off a supermarket shelf that's been preserved for a shelf life reason, usually that food is dead in every sense of the word. So in other words, when it goes into your gut, it's not going to be providing food for the gut microbiome. So the best thing to do is to go plant-based, but also to have a lot of organic food and easily digestible food. So let's talk about this a little bit further. The most easily digested food is food that's high in enzymes, because enzymes work in the digestive process. And so fruits are so easy to digest, and if you leave fruit lying around, it will actually digest itself. That's how helpful fruit is to digestion. The enzymes in fruit, and especially pineapple and papaya, those are the two richest sources of digestive enzymes. So it's really good to have that kind of tropical fruit in your diet. And we include those in our programs as well as part of the herbal combination, those enzymes. It's also very good to go organic with your diet as far as feeding the microbiome, because organic food hasn't been sprayed with pesticides, it hasn't been basically sterilized of all organisms. And there are a lot of organisms on the food that help with digestion. And for example, a good example of this is vitamin B12. It used to be something that we got with the food, with a plant-based diet, because the microbes on the food would help the body to and produce their own vitamin B12. And so now if you buy basically sterile produce from the supermarket, your body will not be able to do that, and you'd have to take a vitamin B12 supplement if you're a vegetarian. So this is just one example of organic food having this living microorganism property which can help your microbiome. So you also get more antioxidants which help to heal the gut wall and protect the gut from inflammation. So another good reason to go organic. Vegetarian diet is also known to be very beneficial for digestion and gut health and generally inflammation in the body. It helps to reduce the buildup of fats in the liver, so that's a digestive organ, that whole digestive process. Vegetarians don't need so many medications, they have better body mass index, so going vegetarian, requiring less medications, also helps improve your gut microbiome. But one thing to remember about a plant-based diet is to have a low lectin diet. So in other words, not a lot of nuts and grains and seeds and even legumes can be hard to digest. And like we talked about before with insoluble fibre, they don't break down very easily in your body. So when you go plant-based, more fruit, more vegetables, more soft foods, more enzyme-rich foods, more raw foods is the way to go.